Hey guys. So we're actually at our house and we're about to go somewhere Disney related. Amber doesn't know about it. You can tell the enthusiasm.
Yeah, because I don't know what to expect. It's like when you say go pack for this vacation, but
I do that often.
What are we packing for? What do I need to pack? Shorts, pants? What do I need?
Which, okay, so whenever we go to like Albuquerque and she doesn't know about it, because I always plan every trip to Albuquerque that she doesn't know, I always tell her, hey, we're going here to a place. The temperatures are going to be an average high of this and an average low of this. And she goes, I don't know what that means.
What do you want me to do with that information?
So,
that doesn't tell me anything. Like, is there date night? So I need to dress up. What is this? I think it's a woman thing.
14 years, I don't need to date her anymore. I'm kidding. So all you married people, date your spouse. I'm telling you, date your spouse still. But no, for real, she doesn't know where we're going. It's gonna be cool. I've always been wanting to do it. Of course, now she probably knows what I've been wanting to do. But she don't know about it until we get there. And the thing is, she can't say no, because I already told her she can't say no. So we'll see you.
No to not doing it.
She can't say no. So we will see you guys when we're doing what we're doing. Bye. So we wanted to do the boats. Well, I did. And this was what I was going to surprise Amber with. And so we were going to do the Sea Rays, which are these little things right here.
But it has a motor on it. Look.
Yeah. Oh, they have a Mickey too.
So like, I would sit here, and you would sit there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of love bugs.
Yeah. But so.
Where would you go? Just around here, or
Yeah.
like all around Fair Lake?
Yeah. So this is the price for the little small one. They have a Bayliner for 6 people for 45 minutes for 30 minutes, or $45 for 30 minutes. A Montauk for the same price, and a pontoon on a pontoon for $45 for 30 minutes. Oh, they got firework cruise starting at $2.99, and that includes the driver. Yeah.
Yes.
So
You can fish. There's bass, bluegill, catfish, and sunfish.
So you could actually take a cruise, and they actually will bait your hook and do all that kind of stuff, and you catch largemouth bass, but it's not catching, it's only catch and release.
Yeah, but there's also this website that says for more information.
Take me fishing.
I would check out that website before you came here.
Guava is like really strong. So, Amber and I don't drink that much. And so we asked for her to take it back, and then we are getting something different. I think it's called the spiky pineapple. It's Stole Whip with rum. And she says she's never met anybody who doesn't like it.
I'm pretty excited to try this one actually.
Yeah.
So here it is.
And Amber's going to get the first dib. I think you need to be carded first.
Well, if she didn't card us because we're old.
You are. Chug, 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 chug.
Oh my god, this is so good. You cannot taste alcohol at all.
Look at her, she's already happy.
But you really can't. Wow.
You want another one?
But I like it.
Anybody like Bob Marley? Bob Marley, yes. Cool. We're gonna do one of his older songs here.
See, I told you. Good?
Alright, so we left Disney and decided to come look for flowers. And right now we're looking for vegetables that Amber likes. Whoa. Look, guys. So,
tomato.
what, in Nebraska, we don't start getting tomatoes until, what, July? August?
I would want to get tomatoes with jalapenos and have bell peppers.
Chocolate mint. You want bell peppers? It's over there.
I know, but it's not patty already. These are mosquito cool. Yeah, jalapeno.
So,
And bell peppers.
we really don't have a green thumb. Except for last year, we did. But our tree that we had, it was actually like, it only bloomed half the tree. It was weird. But it had a really bad winter, so I think that was part of it. But look, the peppers actually have peppers on them.
I know. These are hot peppers, but I would just want this. Because then we have to transfer it.
Sorry that we turned this into a more of a home-ish vlog-ish.
Well, today was just
Just hang out.
hang out. What should we do next? Okay, let's go here. Like, we never ever plan stuff out. Hardly ever. Except when he does trips. He plans everything out.
Yeah, but never goes to plan.
And then me, I'm like, let's just do whatever.
All Amber's family can attest to this. They're in Albuquerque. Every time I say I want to leave at a certain time, let's say like I want to leave at 10 o'clock in the morning, it's usually like 1 o'clock by the time we leave.
Yeah, I have to make sure that I pack the right things.
It's
Then you make
because
sure you have all the right outfits.
Sorry. But no, I'm saying when we leave to go home. And it's mostly because we're hanging out with our godsons. And they're awesome! What do you guys think?
We're not live, so I mean, you don't have to leave comments. Well, that's a good question too. Should we go live on some things? I know we have a little over, what, 50 subscribers?
45-ish.
But if you'd like to see that, we'd do it. I don't think we really have any comments, do we?
We have like 4 comments.
Comments, you guys. Like our videos.
Well, what's that love bug doing? It's cool.
Huh?
Oh, it's feeding. That's cool. Sorry, guys.